Hi, my name is James Dainard. I'm with Heaton Dainard Real Estate. We are outside of our project in Ballard, Washington. We are going to do a Drab to Fab series and take our clients and anybody else who's interested through the major checkpoints in this project, which is going to include designing, budgeting, construction checkpoints, and marketing and selling the property. So why don't we take a look and we'll walk you through the house. So as we walk through the house, that was situated with a bedroom up front, dining room in its own weird tucked out area, kitchen in the back corner, and then through here, which they're beginning to tape off, is a laundry room and bonus space. So the current floor plan is chopped into way too many sections. We're also removing a building code violation because the previous homeowner has carved this house into 3 to 4 additional units. If you buy a property with a building code violation, tune into our blog at heatondainard.com and we'll give you instructions on how to navigate through that. So on the main floor, what we're hoping to accomplish is to get a 1 bedroom, a half bathroom, a dining, living, and kitchen with outside to a deck. Downstairs in the basement, we are not going anywhere. So because they made it a duplex, they had walled this whole thing off, so we have to go around the side. So we're gonna head towards the basement. This is walled off and kind of go through there. One thing I want to point out to everybody, this siding here is an asphalt siding, okay? They installed this back in the 50s a lot of times because it actually is really good for insulation and it keeps your house warm. The bad news is most times it has asbestos. So in our asbestos surveys, what they did is they pulled about 42 samples from the house. One of them is the siding. Luckily for us, it did not have asbestos in it, which actually reduces your demo cost by about $10,000. This house, which is very rare, has 2 formal basements. So we have a sub basement down here, which we plan on just demoing out and making a giant bonus room. Because affordability in Seattle has been such a struggle for people and people are looking for good ways to subsidize their mortgage, what we found as investors is supplying the next buyer with some ways to reduce their monthly overhead. Ways they can do that is by having an ADU in their basement. This allows people to VRBO or rent out their basement and subsidize their mortgage. What we found as investors is buyers will pay 5 to 10% more above a normal comp price because they can subsidize down their mortgage. So as we head downstairs, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create this into a formal apartment and section this all off with a door and a wall. The really cool thing, besides the smell, is the ceiling height down here is unreal for a basement. We literally have 14-foot ceilings in our basement. So this is gonna be an ideal space that is gonna be very rentable. This unit alone should rent for $1,600 a month, which is gonna be 25% of his mortgage payment. I want to thank everybody for tuning in on this video. On the next walkthrough, what we're going to be going over, the house will already be abated and demoed, and we're going to be walking through our framing plan. That's designing the highest and best use floor plan, but also keep it inside your budget and frame it around major structural things to help keep your costs down. So we'll be shooting these videos on all the major checkpoints. If you have further questions, check out our website, heatondainard.com, or we have a free cash flow and flip class that you can attend at our office. If you go to our website, you can sign up for it.